Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I created this Sutaria inspired makeup look. This is a very monochromatic look and once I saw it, I fell in love with it. So let's just get started with it. So I just washed my face with the Dermavive Hydra cleanser. I have been using this since a very long time and I absolutely love this cleanser. It does not irritate my skin. It does not make my skin dry after I use it. And it is SLS free, soap free, fragrance free, and it is for sensitive skin. Before starting off with the makeup, I'll prep my skin with a vitamin C serum. We don't really understand the importance of vitamin C, but it is very important these days in the skincare routine. Even though we don't step out as much, but we still face dull and damaged skin because of many factors like dust, blue light from electronics, irregular sleep patterns, and stress. And vitamin C promotes collagen production, which gives firm and youthful skin. And we all know that it fights and repairs sun damage, fades dullness, acne marks, etc. So this part of the video is sponsored by Plum. I have been using the Plum 15% Vitamin C Face Serum with Mandarin for 2 weeks now. When I apply this, it gives a major glow boost and it gets absorbed very quickly and easily and makes the skin look plump. This serum has a lot of amazing ingredients like 15% ethyl ascorbic acid, which contains 86% active vitamin C. It has Japanese Mandarin, which helps in the collagen production and boosts the performance of vitamin C, and also Kakadu Plum, which is an amazing ingredient and the richest source of vitamin C. It does not have any artificial color or fragrance or essential oils added to it. It is 100% vegan, cruelty-free and paraben-free. I already love the packaging of the product. It's a glass bottle and looks very neat, and they chose to put it in an amber bottle so that it does not get oxidized and stays effective. The texture is very watery and it gets absorbed easily. It's very lightweight and it does not feel greasy or heavy at all. As soon as I apply it, it makes my skin look very plump and is very hydrating. So I have my face already cleansed. Now I'll apply a few drops and pat the serum into my skin. I'll apply a sunscreen after I apply the serum during the day, and if I'm using it at night, then I'll apply a moisturizer after I use this. It's no doubt one of my favorite skincare products and I would love for you to try it out. You can use my coupon code and get 10% off on this vitamin C serum on Plum's website. Now that we applied the vitamin C serum, I'm going to moisturize my face, and I'm going to use the Neutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. I have been using this since a very long time and this is one of my favorite moisturizers, and this is what I use before I start off with my makeup. If you've got sunburned skin, this is going to help you with that. It hydrates the skin really well and it soothes the skin and does not make the skin very greasy or oily. It just gives the right amount of hydration. So the first product I'm going to take is the Auric Healthy Glow Makeup Base because Sarah's look is very glowy. I've been trying out this makeup base since a couple of days and I love it. Now I'm going to color correct some areas on my face like my forehead, the sides of my forehead and my under eye area. So I'm going to use the Sugar Face Forward Corrector Stick. Then using a beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it. I really think I'm going to mix the K-Beauty and the Maybelline Superstay. This is the K-Beauty one and this is in the shade 130Y Medium. Take a little bit of this. And this is the Superstay. It's in the shade 312 Golden. A little bit of this. And then I'm going to add some Farsali Volcanic Elixir just to make it a little bit more glowy. Just 2 drops. And just mix it and apply it. I already love this concoction. It makes the skin look so glowy and so dewy. Oh my god, I tried it for the first time and I love this combination. The combination of both the foundations and the volcanic elixir oil. And my skin looks so glowy and dewy and healthy. And I'm sure I'm going to use this combination more frequently. Today I'm going to use the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer. And this is in the shade COV005. And I'm going to blend it with the PAC Beauty Sponge. I love this concealer. It blends so easily and smoothly and look at this. Okay, now to brighten that area a little bit, I'm going to use the Instant Age Refine. This is from Maybelline and I'm going to use it a little bit under my eyes. Also, I am going to put it very lightly on my eyelids, whatever's left on the sponge. just for a clean base for my eyeshadows. Now I'm going to set everything with the powder. So the powder I'm going to use is from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me. And this is in the shade Medium Moin. This is such a beautiful powder. It just gives a very airbrush finish. Just look at this. Oh my god. I'm just lightly going to set my entire face. I'm not taking any extra powder. Whatever's left, I'm just going over my face. And the brush I'm using is from La Cara. This is the F004 brush. The eye makeup is really simple. It's just brown eyes and a little bit of glitter on top of the eyelids. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. In case you don't have this palette, then don't worry. The exact same colors are available in a Wet n Wild palette. It's called Rose in the Air. I'll just link it in the description box so that you can check it out. I'm going to take this shade. This is called Red Ochre. And I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. The brush I'm using came with the Anastasia palette. And I'm just building the color till the time I'm happy with the intensity. Now I'm going to take this Lime Crime Diamond Dew and I'm going to apply it right in the center of my eyelids. And I'm going to leave it at that. It looks beautiful. Next, taking the Plum P13 brush, I'm going to pick some of this shade. This is a champagne shade. And I'm going to apply it in the inner corners. And taking it up a little. I'm going to take the same brown shade and apply it on the lower lash line. And I'm going to take this orangey shade. I'm going to apply it underneath that brown for a little bit of transition. And just take another brush. I'm using the PAC 204 and just blending both the shades. Now I'm going to take this Maybelline New York Line Tattoo Crayon Pen in the shade Bold Brown. And I'm going to apply it on the upper lash line and also on the lower lash line. Taking the Plume brush, I'm just going to blend it a little. Guys, do send me suggestions like what looks you want me to do, especially celebrity inspired looks, because I'm going to get back with the celebrity inspired looks. I'm done with my eyeshadow. Now I need to curl my lashes and put on mascara. The first mascara I'm going to take is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. And the second mascara I'm going to use is from L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Also going to apply it on my lower lashes. Now I'm going to apply some lashes and be right back. The lashes I applied, they're from Huda Beauty. These are the Samantha lashes. Now I'm going to apply contour, highlight and blush. For the contour, I'm using Auric Contour Defining Kit. I'm going to use this shade. I'm using the PAC 261 brush and I'm adding little product at a time. I want the contour to be really intense. I'm bringing it up a little bit and then just around the forehead. Applying it on my jawline. For the blush, I'm going to use the K-Beauty blush. This is their matte blush and this is in the shade Mild Berry. I'm just going to apply it right here on my cheeks and I'm using a PAC 211 brush. A little bit on the nose and then chin. Now I'm going to apply the lipstick. I'm going to take Maybelline Matte Creams and this is in the shade Nude Nuance. It is a beautiful nude shade and I'm just going to apply it on my lips. And on top of this, I'm going to take the Lime Crime Lip Blaze Butter and Glaze lipstick. This is in the shade Herb. And I'm going to apply, oh my god, it smells so good. And I'm going to apply it on top of my lips. Now I'm going to take this Lime Crime Wet Cherry Gloss. Oh my god, Lime Crime smells heavenly. And I'm going to use the Nykaa Strobe and Glow Highlighter a little bit. And with the beauty sponge, I'm going to apply it. Oh my god, this is so intense. Just look at the glow. You see this side and then you see this side. my chin. And I'm going to apply some on my brow bone area, taking the Plum P13 brush. Just a little bit in the inner corners of my eyes. So this looks really, really beautiful and very glowy and dewy. Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. And I'm just going to fill in the gaps. Then just taking this spoolie, I'm going to blend it. I'll just open my hair now to show you how it looks. You know what, guys? I'm going to add a little bit more bronze to my eyes. So taking the Faces Canada Ultime Pro eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take this bronze shade, just apply it in the crease. Okay guys, so this is my finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you want me to do any other celebrity inspired makeup look, then do DM me on my Instagram. My handle is Sush Dazzles, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.